All right, our next step is to give our minion some legs and some shoes. So we'll go ahead and open up our menu. Go ahead and take out a cylinder. And if you'd like at this point, you can go ahead and color his leg blue. And we're going to go ahead and close this up, get it out of our way. Let's go ahead and set the dimensions for his leg at 8.75 by 8.75. And the exact height doesn't matter, but we'll just go ahead and pull this up to about a 28. All right, now that we've done that, we're going to go ahead and bring our minion up into the air a little bit. So let's go ahead and click on him, and let's just pull him up. We'll make more adjustments as we need to. All right, we're going to go ahead and bring this leg over. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and center this. We'll align it. And I'm going to turn him sideways. The button I'm going to be hitting is this one right here. So I'm going to click. All right, let's click off, see how this looks. That one looks pretty good. All right, I'm going to raise this up. Let's click this one, and now let's duplicate it. Control D. I'm going to use my left arrow to pull this off, and I'm going to eyeball this to see that it's centered. Okay, so as I'm looking at this one, I think we need to come in, a little bit more. All right, and I think I will take that in a little bit more. This leg looks like it might want to go out a little bit. Let's see here. This line is coming up here, almost about midway. This outer line looks like it's coming up midway. I think that looks balanced out. And if you want your minion to have, not be so tall, then go ahead and click him and go ahead and drop him down farther. All right, the next step we want is to give him a black shoe. So we'll come down here and we'll pull out a half sphere. Go ahead and color that shoe black. And close up your menu, get this out of the way. We're going to go ahead and set this at 15. And we'll go ahead and set the length to about 25 by 75. All right, let's take a look at this. That looks pretty good. All right, now I'm going to take this. I'm just going to move it over. And let's look at this. Well, you can almost see that it looks like it's centered. That looks good. I may decide to bring it forward more. I think I will. I'm going to click on his shoe. And I'm going to use my forward arrow to pull that forward once, twice. And then I'm going to click off and see how that looks from the side. I like that. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to come over. I'm going to click that shoe. I'm going to hit Control D. I'm going to slide it over. Make sure that it's also centered. Move it back. Off. Right, everything looks like it's nicely centered. And again, if you want your minion to stand a little bit higher, go ahead and do this. You can pull him up a little bit more, or you can drop him down. It's kind of your personal choice.